Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Danilo Bongkinki, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Efren Gaa, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Falcons of the Adamson University. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Sheila Marie Pineda. At number 9, Faye Janelle Guevara. Their setter with jersey number 14, May Jennifer Macatuno. Guest player with jersey number 4, Mylene Paat. Guest player with jersey number 8, Angela Benting. Team captain with jersey number 2, Maria Paulina Soriano. Libero number 11, Princess Listana. Head coach, Mr. Sherwin Meneses. Calling on our Lady Chiefs of the Arellano University. Let's start off with jersey number 4, Elaine Sagun. Their setter with jersey number 5, Mary Jane Tikar. At number 14, Dana Henson. Wearing jersey number 16, Shirley Salamagos. Guest player with jersey number 1, Nerissa Bautista. And guest player with jersey number 3, Mary Jean Balse. Libero number 2, Jonalyn Ibiza. And sitting in for Coach Roberto Javier is assistant coach Richard Estacio.
Just moments away from the start of this battle involving Arellano and Adamson. By the way, of course, Noel Zarate has shown this to you. This is a great picture of the Remulla
nice page na
Sabi ko nga dapat kami ni Noel Zarate napakunan de chan to chan ito kasi glamorous shot yung tayong dalawang magkapatid. Kami humorous shot yun sa amin. This is our coffee table book commemorating the 10th anniversary of the Shakey's V-League. Get a copy here at the venue. Get yours later.
Yeah, actually, what's even better is if they get a copy of this, a lot of articles also on their favorite.
May picture ba rito nung naglalaro ka pa?
Wala.
Si ate meron.
Si ate meron, no?
Okay.
Wala.
And we are underway with our very first game on this. Actually, we're doing this on a Sunday afternoon. We have a good Sunday crowd. In fact, our second scheduled game is De La Salle Dasmariñas going up against the Lady Eagles of Ateneo. Here we go. Let's focus on this one. Balse with the reverse set, and she gets it to drop. Alam mo, ang first concern ko nung cover ko yung Arellano, how was the chemistry? Mukhang settled down na sila. No? Ang unang communication dyan is between the setter and Balse and Bautista. Kasi, di ba, each spiker likes a certain way. Sumapit sa net, malayo sa net.
And it seems like nakapag-adjust na itong Arellano with the sets for Balse, obviously.
Maganda kay Ginya, no? Hindi nawawala yung enthusiasm for the game, and she lets out a big yell after scoring on this one. I guess it never fades, ano?
For the love of the game, of course.
Buti nga si Ging, nakakalipad pa eh. Ikaw nakakalipad pa, naglalaro ka pa eh.
Mahiya yung ipis dumaan sa ilalim ng talon ko, pero pwede na rin. Matatakot siya.
Okay. Balse from the middle, trying to score at will, but that's too long on the attempted cross-court.
We can see here also, no, from this rotation, Tikar really going for the high percentage attacker in Balse.
Pao Soriano, of course, one of the permanent fixtures in the Adamson lineup with the Sir Bautista. Henson, small frame, but don't be misled. Lakas pumalo niyan. This one is long. Pineda, however, gets a check ball apparently. Yes.
Pineda and Soriano both with a nice stance.
Yeah. Obvious bang nag-beach volleyball? Adamson is a very, very active participant in beach volleyball. Does it help you develop your skills for the 6-woman game?
Yes, I think so. Of course, iba yung laro ng beach volleyball. In fact, mas mahirap siya. There are only 2 players on the court. Hindi ka naka-rubber shoes at tumatalon ka sa buhangin.
Yes.
So, yung resistensya unang-una. Secondly, you play smart if you're a good beach volleyball player.
I used to be so I used to not understand. Like, naka-shades pa. Yung pala, because of the sand, as the ball spins. In the meantime, that field is too long. And they were hoping for a check ball, nothing there. Angela Benting is also there. Boy, this is a potent Adamson lineup if they can get this to hum. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. Gotta be Shakey's. Adamson on the attack. Benting tosses it up. Tough angle to work with. Here's the set. The other way we go. Down off the block. No problem for number 4. That's Elaine Sagun.
Former Lady Bulldog. Former member of the NU team.
NU getting taller every year.
That's right. Of course, with the addition of the Santiago sisters,
Yes.
even more tall.
Yes. In the meantime, that drops. At a moment of, akala ko sa'yo, akala ko sa akin, which is a no-no, of course, in volleyball. Shirley Salamagos. Watch this. What happened here? But, yun. Boom. Ang hirap sa volleyball, hindi mo alam saan babagsak ang bola.
That's why you have to always keep your eye on the ball. Yung sinasabi ng mga coaches palagi.
Guevara with a good single block. This is a challenging sport physically. In terms of gugulong ka at saka of course when you talk with Mosi, she smiles when you say itong game na to naniningil sa katawan later on. Axel is the official outfit of the Shakey's V-League.
And you know when you say tough, ang larong volleyball hindi ito yung pwedeng merong isang mahina sa loob because you know there's always 3 touches. You're not in control kung kanino pupunta yung direksyon ng bola. So everyone talaga who's on the floor should be as competitive in the same level of
skill.
Skill.
Yeah. Kasi you can't say, I don't know how to toss. Kasi there will be, yung 10 setters, there will be times na totos ka. There will be times didig ka in the panhandling motion. Kailangan alam mo lahat. At lahat, except if you're a libero, papalo kayo lahat.
Oh, but in some cases, we've seen here in the V-League, minsan yung mga libero pumapalo, pero nakatayo. From the back.
Which is allowed, In the meantime, Benting got stopped at the net. Bautista, first time to play against a team where she used to be a guest player, actually.
Actually, for the longest time, she was the guest player of Adamson. So, in terms of laro and movement inside the court, itong si Nene Bautista, alam na alam niya ng galaw ng Adamson.
Yes. Familiar face in the Adamson lineup now. She's on the other side of the net as we have Henson all set to serve. Benting, familiar move. That's off the block. The Lady Chiefs of Arellano and the Lady Falcons are tied at 7 apiece here in the opening set. Here's Paat with a serve. We're going to Bautista. Paat kept it in the air. Nice drop. And we hit our first technical timeout at 8-7. Adamson grabs the upper hand.